In the era of energy transition, is your commercial and industrial power prepared for change? Introducing the WELTRUS Energy Cube 50 kilowatts to 100 kilowatt-hours CNI ESS. Our primary advantage is high integration and minimal footprint. We offer an integrated PV plus energy storage solution. Highly compact, each cabinet occupies just 1.2 square meters. Experience unmatched performance with a maximum conversion efficiency of 98.8%. Utilizing top-tier LFP battery cells, the system offers 100 kilowatt-hours of rated energy and an enhanced cycle life of 6,000 cycles. Safety is not just a promise, it is officially verified. Our system, the rechargeable Li-ion battery system, is TÜV Rheinland certified. This certification confirms compliance with stringent global standards including IEC 62619 and IEC 63056. With an IP54 ingress protection rating and an automatic fire system, your investment is secured. Designed for multi-scenario deployment, the Energy Cube is ideal for commercial offices, factories, PV charging stations, and zero-carbon parks. Maximize your savings through peak-off-peak price differentials. Charge during low-price periods and discharge to power the load when electricity prices are high. It serves as a reliable backup power source during outages, ensuring uninterrupted business operations. It also supports the building of an independent grid by connecting directly to PV or diesel generators. With multi-unit parallel expansion, flexible scalability is achieved. Enhance energy efficiency by controlling operations via the app Intelligent Control. The WELTRUS Energy Cube. High integration, high performance, high security. Contact us today to power your future.